welcome the IGP. Take the national anthem. Fellow society focused gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the Treasurer of Police, I want to warmly welcome you to the special day of giving the image of the Nigerian police force and the positioning our standard and values of policing in Nigeria.
Today, we are not merely decorating officers. We are defining a legacy. This moment marks a deliberate and strategic departure from the shadows of mediocrity. It's a resounding reaffirmation of what we stand for: excellence, integrity, merit, and national pride. We have come to honor men whose stories now serve as institutional case studies in courage and professionalism. CSP Shaba Aliyu, Police Officer of the Year 2023, SP Sentome Obi, Police Officer of the Year 2024. These two officers did not walk casually into this honor. They earned it through distinction in a field of giants. They were selected from among the very best, who had also demonstrated exceptional courage, integrity, and professionalism, and who were nominated across multiple categories during the fiercely contested 2023 and 2024 award years. The process that led to their emergence was deliberately rigorous, grounded in objectivity, and insulated from influence. It was a process designed to sift not just for performance, but for character. And they rose to the top, not by accident, not by favor, but by merit. Let every officer here take note that this is the standard. If you aspire to be here tomorrow, it begins with what you do today. Gentlemen, today we decorate your uniforms, but more importantly, we elevate the meaning of service in the eyes of this institution and the nation you swore to defend. This ceremony is not routine, it is transformational. Just a few weeks ago, we announced a bold policy that any officer who wins the prime honor of Police Officer of the Year shall be recommended to the Police Service Commission for accelerated promotion. We also resolved that any officer who earns IGP commendation or category awards for 2 consecutive years shall enjoy the same privilege. That policy was not issued for applause. It was born of conviction. And today, we are living it out in full view of the nation. What is happening in this room must echo across every police offices, every station, every checkpoint, every patrol post. Let it be known that the Nigerian Police Force has entered an era where honor is not hidden and excellence is not ignored. We do not set the bar low, no. What that will insult the dignity of this exercise. Out of over 300,000 officers, only 38 met the stringent criteria for accelerated promotion. These officers did not lobby for favor, they let their work speak, and the institution has responded publicly, proudly, and with full institutional endorsement. The portraits of our honorees will now adorn the gates of the force headquarters and be mounted at the entrances of all zonal and state commands until new heroes emerge. This is not mere symbolism, it's a national call to aspiration. To every officer watching, listening, or reading these remarks, it is their day today. It could be yours tomorrow. This initiative is not designed to replace our existing promotion structure. On the contrary, it complements it. Between 2023 and today, over 10,000 officers have been promoted through our regular and transparent promotion exercises. In this force, promotion is no longer about who you know, it's about what you contribute. Let me be unequivocal. There is no gender advantage, no ethnic preference, no religious pathway, only merit. But even as we mark this milestone, we are not blind to the resistance. We know there are those who fear change, who attack progress because it exposes their irrelevance. A certain corner of social media has become a playground for professional mischief makers and agents of institutional sabotage. They twist facts, malign honorable men, and attempt to discredit noble efforts with shameless dishonesty. Let me send them a clear and final message. Your lies will not derail our reforms. Your noise will not drown our resolve. And your provocations, if sustained, will be met with lawful consequences. The Nigerian Police Force is moving forward, with or without your approval. To the honorees, your new ranks carry a heavier burden, not just a higher badge. The standard has been raised. The expectations are greater, but I trust you will rise to meet them as you have consistently done. And to the rest of the force, the doors of honor are wide open, but they will not be entered with empty hands. Bring your excellence, bring your discipline, bring your results. The Nigerian Police Force is evolving, and we will not stop until service becomes synonymous with pride. The Nigerian Police Force is evolving, and we will not stop until service becomes synonymous with pride, promotion, becomes the outcome of performance, and every officer becomes a beacon of national confidence. Congratulations once again to all our honorees. May this be the beginning of even greater service to our nation.
first Nigerian Police Award, that is on 15 April 2020. Young men who have done us part of it. Now please appreciate the Inspector General of Police for call on the Inspector General of Police of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. The game changer, the one